Hi friends, welcome back to Top Tip. Today we are going to check a useful video that how to fix a crashed USB by using a Android mobile. For this you need an Android mobile and a USB to mobile connector. My mobile is C type, so I use the C type mobile connector. And it's a SanDisk USB with 32 GB. So let's check this USB now it's working or not. For that we go to the Explorer. I'm just plugging the USB. You are getting the detecting sound, so it means something is detecting, but we didn't get the drives here. Let's see it's detected or not. You can see in device manager, see the USBs. Let me remove. See, something is detecting there, but it's not showing on the Explorer. Okay, so let's see how to fix this one by using an Android mobile. So first what we will do, just remove it and connect it with the C-type USB connector with mobile and connect it on the mobile. Here simply go to my file, and there also the USB is not found. So what to do, go back, just slide it down. You can see issue with SanDisk USB drive. Just tap to fix, and it's asking for formatting. Just do the format. Now the USB is getting formatting. Just wait until it formatting. Yeah, now the drive is set up, so press done. Now let's see it's working in mobile. So for that go to files. Yeah, now you can see the USB drive there. Now once again we can go back to the computer and check it's working over there. For that, remove the USB, remove the connector and connect directly to the computer. Yep, now you can see new USB drive is came there, and it's already formatted with Android. That's why it's coming like this. So let's do a format again from the PC. Just right click, format. Just click the quick format and start format. Press yes. Now the drive is formatted in the computer also. Now you can use this as a same old USB. So I hope all you guys enjoyed this video. For getting this type of interested and useful videos, please subscribe to our channel and please do share and like. Thank you. Thanks a lot.